Hello children, welcome to English class. Hope all are fine and doing good. Okay children, in previous class we have finished grammar. No, we finished from the grammar. So today again we focus on textbook children. Okay, open your textbook. We look into unit 4. Okay, so open your textbook page number 99. First open page number 99 from the textbook children. Okay. Are you ready? Unit 4. We have completed Unit 3. So today we focus on Unit 4. Snoopy comes to school. Snoopy comes to school. What is the name of the lesson? Snoopy comes to school. Okay, children, shall we start reading? One day, Sidhu was going to school. His pet Snoopy followed him. When Sidhu saw Snoopy, he said, Snoopy, don't come with me. Go home. Snoopy did not go back. Sidhu shouted, Snoopy, don't come. Go back. Snoopy stopped. Sidhu started walking again. Snoopy followed him again. Sidhu caught Snoopy and took it back home. Amma, tie Snoopy, said Sidhu. Mother tied Snoopy. Snoopy barked, bow, wow, wow, wow. Sidhu went to school. Snoopy was sad. He waited for some time. Mother went inside. Snoopy pulled the chain again and again. At last, the belt came off. Snoopy started running. Again, we'll read children, okay? One day, Sidhu was going to school. One day, Sidhu was going to school. He was going to school. Sidhu was going to school one day. His pet Snoopy followed him. Every day he goes to school, but one day what happened? When he was going to school, his pet, Sidhu having pet's name is Snoopy. It followed him. Snoopy followed Sidhu. When Sidhu saw Snoopy following him. He said to Snoopy, Snoopy, don't come with me. Go home. What Sidhu said to Snoopy? Not to come with him. Go home. Snoopy, don't come with me. Go home. Snoopy did not go back. Snoopy didn't go home back. Sidhu shouted, Snoopy, don't come. Go back. What Sidhu shouted? Snoopy, don't come. Go back. Snoopy stopped. Why Snoopy stopped? Because Sidhu shouted, no? Snoopy, don't come. Go back. But Snoopy stopped. Sidhu started walking again. Again, Sidhu started walking. Snoopy followed him again. What Snoopy did again? Again, he started following him again. Sidhu caught Snoopy. What Sidhu did? Sidhu caught Snoopy and took it back home. Amma, tie Snoopy. What Sidhu saying to Amma? Amma, tie Snoopy, said Sidhu. Mother tied Snoopy. What Sidhu's mother did? She tied Snoopy. Snoopy barked. Wow, 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 wow. Because mother tied Snoopy now. That's why Snoopy barked. Bow, wow, wow, wow. Sidhu went to school. Then Sidhu went to school. Snoopy was sad. Why Snoopy was sad? Because Sidhu's mother tied Snoopy. That's why Snoopy was sad. He waited some time. He waited for some time. Mother went inside. Mother tied Snoopy and went inside. Snoopy pulled the chain again and again. What Snoopy did? It pulled the chain again and again. At last, the belt came off. What happened? The Snoopy's belt came off. Snoopy started running. Snoopy started running to school. Okay, very interesting, no? Children's story. So again, we'll move to the lesson now. Okay. Did you understand the story? Now we'll move to the lesson. Now, open page number 37, Unit 4. Snoopy comes to school. Just now we read the story, no children? Look at the picture and answer the questions given below. Look at this picture carefully, children. Observe this picture. Who is this boy in this picture? He is Sidhu. Where Sidhu is going? Sidhu is going to school. Who is going behind Sidhu? Sidhu's pet, Snoopy. Small puppy, Snoopy. See how it is following. The puppy is following Sidhu. Now, let us try to answer the questions below. Where is the boy going? Who is the boy here? He is Sidhu. Where he is going? He is going to school. Why is the puppy following him? Why is the puppy following him? Because the puppy also wants to go with Sidhu. Have you got the picture, children? He is Sidhu. Sidhu is going to school. Sidhu's pet, Snoopy, is following Sidhu here. Okay? Now we move to next page. Look here. Look at the picture and answer the questions given below. Who is there in the picture here? Sidhu and Sidhu's mother and Snoopy. We're reading the story, no? What Sidhu did here? Sidhu took the puppy back home. What mother did here? Sidhu's mother tied the puppy there. See? Sidhu's mother tied Snoopy there. After tying the Snoopy, Sidhu saying bye to Mummy and he is going to school. The children, Sidhu is going back to school again. Sidhu's mother tied Snoopy there. Okay. Now, we'll try to answer the questions given below. Where is the boy going? Who is the boy here? Sidhu. Where he is going? He is going to school. What is he saying to his mother? Or he's saying to his mother? He said, mother, to tie the Snoopy. Why is the puppy barking? Because Sidhu's mother tied Snoopy. So Sidhu leaving the puppy and going to school, no? That's why the puppy is barking. Puppy barking. Because Sidhu's mother tied puppy. Children, here says some more questions are there. Why did Sidhu's mother tie Snoopy? Because Snoopy is following to school. That's why Sidhu's mother tied Snoopy. Was Snoopy happy? He barked. Was Snoopy happy? No. Why Snoopy is not happy? Because Sidhu's mother tied Snoopy. Why did he bark? Because he wants to go with Sidhu. So Sidhu's mother tied Snoopy, no? That's why it is barking. Where was Snoopy going? Where was Snoopy going? After the belt came out, again Snoopy went to Sidhu's school. Where is Snoopy going? Snoopy going to Sidhu's school. Did he meet Sidhu? Did he meet Sidhu? So, in next page, we'll get the answer to this question. Okay? Did he meet Sidhu? We'll see. Okay? Did he meet or not? We'll see. Snoopy comes to school. Class, what happened? Snoopy came to Sidhu's school. Okay? Snoopy comes to school. See the heading there? Comes to school. Snoopy comes to school. He wants to see Sidhu. Why Snoopy? He wants to see Sidhu. Snoopy goes to the headmaster's room. Sidhu is not there. First, Snoopy, where it went to headmaster's room. But is Sidhu there? No, Sidhu is not there. Snoopy goes to class 5. Sidhu is not there too. Again, first he went to headmaster's room. Again he went to class 5. Did it find Sidhu there? No. There also Sidhu not there. Now see Snoopy goes to class 4. Sidhu is not there even. Even in the class 4 also Sidhu is not there. Again Snoopy goes to class 3. Again where it went? Class 3. He does not find Sidhu. There also. Snoopy looks sad. He doesn't find Sidhu there in the 3rd class also. So Snoopy looks sad because first it went to headmaster's house, then it went to 5th class, then 4th class, then 3rd class. But the Snoopy doesn't find Sidhu. Snoopy goes to class 2. There he finds Sidhu sitting there. Last, where he found? In class 2. He finds Sidhu sitting there. Snoopy is happy. So first he went to headmaster's house, then 5th class, then 4th class, then 3rd class. But he doesn't find there. At last, where he found Sidhu? In class 2. See here, he goes to Sidhu and sits beside. No, up to 3rd class, Snoopy looks sad. After finding Sidhu in 2nd class, Snoopy was happy. happy. He goes to Sidhu and sits beside him. What Snoopy did? He goes to Sidhu and sat beside Sidhu. The children laugh. The children were laughing at Snoopy. Sidhu says, friends, he is my pet. Introducing, no? Sidhu is introducing his pet, Snoopy. I love him very much. Sidhu's friends give some biscuits to Snoopy. What he introduced to his friends, Sidhu, that Snoopy is his pet. Sidhu's friends they gave some biscuits to Snoopy. What Sidhu said? I love my pet very much. Now children, very interesting, no? See here. Answer the following questions. When we write in the class of children, that time we write these questions. Okay. Now let us do this bit. B bit. Let us complete the textbook work. Okay. Choose the correct answer from the box. One has been done for you. So this question answers we'll write in the class work. Okay. Later we'll write. Next class. See, first we'll complete this bit, okay? B bit. Why do children laugh? Answer, Snoopy sits near Sidhu. Here two options were given, no children? In the green box, green colored box, two options were given here. So, which one is correct? That we have to write in the answer line, okay? First is done for you. So now see second one. Why does Snoopy go to school? Why Snoopy go to school? Why does Snoopy go to school? To see Sidhu. Now two options were given. To see Sidhu, to see the headmaster. Why Snoopy went to school? Because to see Sidhu. To see Sidhu is the correct answer, no children. So write in the answer line, second answer line, to see Sidhu. Okay. Now the third one. Why is Snoopy sad? Why is Snoopy sad? Because he does not see Sidhu. The children laughed. Which one is correct? He does not see Sidhu because he does not see Sidhu. No. Up to where he does not see Sidhu? Up to third class. Headmaster's room, fifth class, fourth class, third class. At last, where he found Sidhu? In the class 2. No children? So which one is correct answer? Third one say because he does not see Sidhu. That is correct answer. So write in the answer line he does not see Sidhu. Okay children? Now see fourth question. Where does Snoopy sit in the class? Where does Snoopy sit in the class? After finding Sidhu in second class, what Snoopy did? Snoopy sits beside Sidhu. See, where does Snoopy sit in the class? Which one is correct answer? Beside Sidhu, beside headmaster. Beside Sidhu is the correct answer. So, write in that fourth answer line, beside Sidhu. Okay, children? Have you written? Hope you all have written. Okay, children. Now we'll move to next page. So this is also very interesting. Correct the following and write them. Children give. So we have to write the correct one here. Okay. Children gave chocolates to Snoopy. Children gave chocolates to Snoopy. Did children give chocolates or biscuits? Children gave biscuits. No children? So write there, correct the sentence. Write the correct sentence in the line given. Children gave biscuits to Snoopy. Children gave biscuits to Snoopy. Children gave biscuits to Snoopy. No children. Children gave biscuits only, no, to Snoopy. So that is the correct, no. So write the correct sentence. That children gave biscuits to Snoopy. Okay. Now see second one. Snoopy saw Sidhu and felt very sad. After seeing Sidhu, did Snoopy felt sad? No, no. So write the correct one. Snoopy saw Sidhu and felt very happy, not sad. Felt very happy. So correct the sentence and write there. Snoopy saw Sidhu and felt very happy. Over. Say now third one. Sidhu was in the headmaster's room. Was Sidhu in the headmaster's room? No, no. Where Sidhu was? Sidhu was in the second classroom. No? Sidhu was in the second class second room, class 2 room. Sidhu was in the second classroom. For children, correct the sentences and we have to write this. I hope you all are writing. Over. Shall we go to next bit? See, Sidhu is packing his school bag to go to school. Circle the things which he keeps in his bag and write their names. So here, see children, 6 blanks are given, children. So, what are the 6 things Sidhu is carrying to school? Those things names you have to write in these dashes, blanks. Okay, children? So, first circle the pictures. See, what he carries the things to school? Pencil, pen. Circle the things first. Circle pencil, circle pen, circle bat, circle ball, circle pencil box and colors. Over the children, 6 pictures. What are the things Sidhu takes to school? Pencil, pen, bat, ball, colors and pencil box. Those things names you have to write here in the blanks. See and write children. Pencil, 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 pen, 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 colors, COLOURS, colors, box, 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 ball, BAL, ball, BAT, bat. See, some more things are there, but those things are not carried to school, no? Brush, comb, these are all playthings. Okay, children, hope you have written pencil, pen, colors, box, ball, bat. Pencil, pen, colors, box, ball, bat. Over. Circle the things and write. Okay. Shall we move to next page? This is the homework for you children. See there I have written homework. This is the homework. This is Sidhu's school. Look at it. This is Sidhu's school. What colors you have to use? Here it is given children. See. Color the school building blue. The school building You have to color in blue. Okay. Color the bell. Where is the bell? There. Got it, my children? Bell picture? There it's hanging here. See? So the bell you color with yellow. Okay. See, color the trees green. Okay. Color the trees in green. Draw a flag on the flag post and color it. Here, the, the flag post is there, children. Draw a flag and color the flag. How many colors are there in our national flag, children? 3 colors, no? Saffron, white and green. Draw wheel in the middle. Okay, children? So draw a flag, color the flag, draw school building with blue, trees with green and bell with yellow. Color it nicely, beautifully. Okay, children? This is homework for you. Okay? Color it nicely. Okay, children. So today, that's all for today's class, children. Some more pages are there, no? In next class, we focus on that. Okay, children? Take care, children. Be happy always. Take care of your health.